Producers are required to follow the rules and regulations with special attention to the production of goods and services. Consumers have the right to be protected against marketed and delivered goods and services which are dangerous to life. Right to information. Consumers have the right to be informed about the particulars of goods and services which they consume in the market. Information such as the ingredients, price, date of manufacture, and address of manufacturer is given on the packaging. If the commodity proves to be defective before the expiry period, consumers can complain and request for replacement or compensation. However, the manufacturer will neither replace nor compensate for the defective product if the expiry date is not printed on the pack of a commodity. When the trader sells a commodity at a price higher than the maximum retail price, MRP, the consumer can complain against the trader. Further, the Right to Information Act was enacted by the Government of India in October 2005 to ensure citizens with all information about the functions of government departments. Right to choice. Consumers have the right to choose the good or service irrespective of the nature of product or service available to them. If the right to choice is denied, consumers can lodge a complaint against the trader. Right to safety. This is the first and the most important of the consumer rights. They should be protected against the product that hampers their safety. The protection must be against any product which could be hazardous to their health, mental, physical, or many of the other factors. Right to heard. If a consumer is dissatisfied with the product purchased, then they have all the right to file a complaint against it. And the said complaint cannot go unheard. It must be addressed in an appropriate time frame. Right to seek redressal. In case a product is unable to satisfy the consumer, then they have the right to get the product replaced, compensate, return the amount invested in the product. We have a 3-tier system of redressal according to the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Right to consumer education. Consumer has the right to know all the information and should be made well aware of the rights and responsibilities of the government. Lack of consumer awareness is the most important problem our government must solve.